Christmas time. Christmas time. Christmas time is here. I wonder if Joshua's reviewing today.
Hello.
Hi, is that Josh?
So Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, guys. Hey, YouTube.
This is Joshua too. Today we're gonna try again to Burping Bobby.
Burping Bobby. Watch out for his burp. Wow, look at him. Burping Bobby. How does he work, Josh?
He burps.
He burps. Ugh.
You take one piece and put it in his mouth.
Okay. What are these pieces? They're like little food pieces he put on his mouth. Oh, I just gave him something to eat. How many pieces on there? Okay.
Oh, look at him make the noise and look.
So how many pieces does it says on here? It says 1. So you choose it one time.
Look at him make the noise.
All right. How many pieces you got, Josh? 2 pieces. And this is a great fun,
That's why he
family
make
fun
the
game
noise. He make the noise
to play with your family, as you can see. You
Uh,
pick a token and choose your number. All right, Josh. He still hasn't burped yet, so let's go ahead and open him up. I have 2. All right. Is he gonna burp? Oh! Yeah, he burped. Woo! Oh my goodness, Josh. Well, do you like Burpy Bobby?
yes.
Yeah. Is he fun to play with?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well. You have anything else to say?
Yeah. The next video we're gonna start.
What are we doing for the next video, Josh?
We're gonna start as the hamster.
Oh, who is that, Josh?
The hamster. The jailhouse wig.
Jailhouse Rick. Okay. Tell us about Jailhouse Rick, Josh. Does he make noises? Does he make sounds? Can he dance?
He sings to the jailhouse rock.
Okay, you gonna play it for us?
Wait, he has a change and look at that on his leg. And has a bowl and wearing a jail head and the jail clothes.
Okay.
And right, do a demo about 5 minutes or so. We're gonna do it. And and without further ado, see songs.
Hey! Dun, dun. Jailhouse Rock. Hey. Okay.
What does he
yay,
sing?
Josh. He sang the Jailhouse Rock. The Jailhouse Rock. I like that, Josh.
Saying bye.
Bye. Play one more time, Josh.
Three songs.
Hey. Thanks for watching, guys. Say bye.